Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Car Place in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this stylish Ford Fiesta ST2. So this vehicle has 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. Inside the car it's half leather interior with heated front seats. You get DAB digital radio, CD player, Bluetooth connectivity, there's air conditioning, and the car has full Ford service history. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.6 litre EcoBoost engine, gives you 180 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox done under 13,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Car Place in Yeovil. Thank you.